Did you know there are certain medications that you might be taking that increase your chance of developing dementia? Dementia is not a single disease but rather a syndrome resulting from various underlying diseases and brain injuries. What health problems produce dementia? Several diseases can lead to dementia, each affecting the brain in different ways. Alzheimer's disease, the most common cause of dementia, characterized by the buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain. Vascular dementia, caused by reduced blood flow to the brain, often following a stroke or series of mini-strokes. Lewy body dementia, marked by abnormal protein deposits called Lewy bodies in brain cells. Frontotemporal dementia, affects the frontal and temporal lobes of the brain, leading to personality changes and language difficulties. Mixed dementia, a combination of two or more types of dementia, typically Alzheimer's and vascular dementia. What lifestyle factors produce dementia? Lifestyle factors play a significant role in the risk of developing dementia. Here are some key factors to consider. Poor diet. Diets high in trans fats, seed oils, sugar, and processed foods can contribute to cognitive decline. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins can help protect brain health. Lack of physical activity. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells. A sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of dementia. Smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, reduces blood flow to the brain, and increases the risk of vascular dementia. Excessive alcohol consumption. Heavy drinking can lead to brain damage and increase the risk of dementia. Even moderate drinking has detrimental effects on brain health. Choose to avoid drinking, since it has no positive effects for your health. Social isolation. Lack of social interaction can lead to cognitive decline. Engaging in social activities and maintaining strong relationships can help keep the brain active and healthy. Sleep problems. Poor sleep quality and sleep disorders like sleep apnea have been linked to an increased risk of dementia. What population is at risk for dementia? Certain populations are at higher risk for developing dementia. These groups include elderly individuals. Age is one of the most significant risk factors. The risk of dementia increases significantly after age 65. People with a family history. Genetics can play a role in the risk of developing certain types of dementia, such as Alzheimer's disease. Individuals with cardiovascular disease. Conditions like hypertension, high cholesterol, and diabetes can increase the risk of vascular dementia. People with low educational attainment. Lower levels of education have been associated with a higher risk of dementia, possibly due to fewer cognitive reserves built up over a lifetime. What are the early signs and symptoms of dementia? Early detection of dementia is crucial for managing the condition and slowing its progression. Look out for these early signs. Memory loss, especially forgetting recently learned information. Difficulty performing familiar tasks. Struggling with routine tasks like cooking or driving. Language problems. Trouble finding the right words or following conversations. Disorientation. Getting lost in familiar places or confusion about time and dates. Poor judgment. Making uncharacteristic decisions or showing poor judgment in everyday situations. Changes in mood or behavior. Noticeable shifts in personality, mood swings, or increased anxiety and depression. What meds produce dementia? Several medications that you might be taking have been linked to an increased risk of dementia, particularly when used long-term. Here's a look at some of the most concerning ones. 1. Anticholinergics. These drugs are used to treat a variety of conditions, including allergies, insomnia, and overactive bladder. They block the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is crucial for memory and learning. Long-term use can lead to cognitive decline. 2. Benzodiazepines. Commonly prescribed for anxiety and sleep disorders, these medications can impair cognitive function, particularly in older adults. They are associated with an increased risk of dementia when used over an extended period. 3. Proton pump inhibitors, also known as PPIs. Used to treat acid reflux and stomach ulcers, PPIs have been linked to an increased risk of dementia. The exact mechanism is unclear, but it involves changes in the gut microbiota and nutrient absorption. 4. Antipsychotics. These medications, used to treat mental health conditions like schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, can affect brain function and are linked to an increased risk of dementia. 5. Antidepressants. Certain types of antidepressants, especially tricyclics, have anticholinergic effects, which can increase the risk of dementia. How to avoid getting dementia? Preventing dementia involves a combination of healthy lifestyle choices and managing risk factors. Here are some strategies. 1. Maintain a healthy food plan. Follow a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, seeds, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Healthy keto and the Mediterranean diet, both, have shown to reduce the risk of dementia. 2. Stay physically active. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking, swimming, or strength training, to improve cardiovascular health and boost brain function. 3. Keep your brain engaged. Challenge your brain with activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills. Lifelong learning and mental stimulation can help build cognitive reserves. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on brain health. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. 5. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Address sleep disorders and create a sleep-friendly environment. 6. Stay socially connected. Maintain strong social connections and engage in regular social activities to keep your brain active and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. What natural remedies help avoiding dementia? In addition to lifestyle changes, certain natural remedies can support brain health and reduce the risk of dementia. Here are some that you can start using. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fish oil and flax seeds, omega-3 fatty acids support brain health by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy brain cell function. Take a fish oil supplement or include fatty fish like salmon in your diet twice a week. 2. Turmeric. Contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric can help reduce the buildup of amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. Add turmeric to your meals or take a curcumin supplement. 3. Ginkgo biloba. This herb has been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. Take a standardized ginkgo biloba supplement daily as directed. 4. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can help protect brain cells from damage. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily to benefit from its neuroprotective effects. 5. B vitamins. B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folic acid, are essential for brain health. They help reduce homocysteine levels, which are linked to an increased risk of dementia. Take a B-complex supplement or include foods rich in B vitamins in your diet, such as leafy greens, eggs, high-quality meat, and legumes. 6. Coconut oil. Contains medium-chain triglycerides, also known as MCTs, that can provide an alternative energy source for brain cells and support cognitive function. Use coconut oil in cooking or take a tablespoon daily as a supplement. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, dementia is a multifactorial syndrome characterized by a decline in cognitive function that interferes with daily life, encompassing memory loss, impaired judgment, and difficulty in performing everyday activities. Several diseases can lead to dementia, each affecting the brain in distinct ways. Alzheimer's disease, the most common cause, involves the buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain. Vascular dementia results from reduced blood flow to the brain, often following strokes. Lewy body dementia is marked by abnormal protein deposits in brain cells, while frontotemporal dementia affects the frontal and temporal lobes, causing personality changes and language difficulties. Mixed dementia combines 2 or more types, typically Alzheimer's and vascular dementia. Lifestyle factors significantly impact the risk of developing dementia. Diets high in trans fats, sugar, and processed foods can contribute to cognitive decline. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins helps protect brain health. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells, while a sedentary lifestyle can heighten the risk of dementia. Smoking damages blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the brain, increasing the risk of vascular dementia. Alcohol consumption can lead to brain damage. Social isolation and poor sleep quality also play critical roles in cognitive decline. The populations that are at higher risk for developing dementia are, particularly elderly individuals, those with a family history of the condition, people with overweight, and people with cardiovascular disease. A sedentary lifestyle has also been associated with a higher risk. Memory loss, difficulty performing tasks, language problems, disorientation, poor judgment, and changes in mood or behavior are early signs to watch for. Also, there are several medications that have been linked to an increased risk of dementia, especially when used long-term. Anticholinergics, used to treat various conditions, block the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, crucial for memory and learning, leading to cognitive decline with prolonged use. Benzodiazepines, prescribed for anxiety and sleep disorders, can impair cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Proton pump inhibitors, used for acid reflux, have been associated with an increased risk of dementia, due to changes in gut microbiota and nutrient absorption. Antipsychotics, used to treat mental health conditions, and certain antidepressants, especially tricyclics with anticholinergic effects, can also increase the risk of dementia. Preventing dementia involves adopting healthy lifestyle choices and managing risk factors. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying physically active, keeping the brain engaged through mental stimulation, managing stress, getting quality sleep, and staying socially connected are essential strategies. Additionally, natural remedies like omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, ginkgo biloba, green tea, B vitamins, and coconut oil can support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil and flax seeds reduce inflammation and promote healthy brain cell function. Turmeric's curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, while ginkgo biloba improves blood flow to the brain and enhances cognitive function. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, protects brain cells from damage, and B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folic acid, reduce homocysteine levels linked to dementia. Coconut oil, with medium-chain triglycerides, provides an alternative energy source for brain cells. This is why understanding the complex nature of dementia, the factors that contribute to its development, and the medications that can increase its risk empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their health. By adopting a mindful approach to brain health through lifestyle changes and natural remedies, it is totally possible to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and maintain optimal mental function as you age. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.